So I'm going to show you how to make your very own top in 30 minutes. It's very quick and easy for beginners. So you want to start with a piece of fabric that's already folded in half, and then you want to fold it in half again, and you should have fours. So it's already folded on its fold, and then you're folding it in half again, as you can see me doing here. So now I'm cutting out where I want my neck hole to be. You can make this as small or as big as you want, but I'd recommend for you to just make a small hole because you don't know how big you want it to be. The point of this is to be able to make your own top without a sewing pattern. So we're kind of guesstimating measurements, but you can go ahead and measure your body, but I like to do it spontaneously. So as you can see here, I'm just doing a curve shape and just trying to work out where I want my armholes to be and how I want it to be. You can play around with this and make any shape you want and try out different styles. I'm cutting into the fabric to make wide armholes. You can decide how much you want to be cut from the sides. So once that's done, you open it up and check it. So you should have two pieces done on the fold. I looked at it and then I just saw that it was a little bit too big, so I'm going to go back in, change the shape. And the fun part is that you can change the shape to whatever you like. You just keep looking at it, editing it until you want it to be the way you like. So I'm just unfolding it again and checking the shape and just repeating that process until I get the shape that I like. It's So we're going to do a French seam on this shirt to make it really nice and neat. So we're going to start off by pinning it wrong side to wrong side. Now usually in sewing we usually pin it right side to right side, but for French seam we sew it wrong side to wrong side. And now you have to do a straight stitch along this side and just leaving 1/2 centimeter seam allowance as you sew. You have to make sure to press the seams flat and make sure all of the seams are inside. This is where we're going to sew on top, and this is going to be our inside. So we're going to pin along that again, the same seam that we just stitched, and we're going to do a straight stitch along it, and then what we will have is a seam encased inside, so you can't see any raw edges, and it's finished beautifully. The results of the French seam. So this is the right side of the fabric. You can see it's really nice, and on the wrong side you can see that the raw edges are encased inside, so it's a really lovely finish. There's no raw edges and it looks really beautiful. And you can see on the right side it's very easy, and then on the wrong side it looks so neat and so smooth. So it's a really nice professional finish to your homemade garments. and this is how it looks, and you're basically finished. You should be able to finish this top in about 30 minutes. It's super simple and super easy. Don't forget to check out my blog, as I have a giveaway and I'm giving away a free sewing machine to one lucky winner. You can enter as many times as you want to and you'll have the chance to win a brand new sewing machine. So make sure to enter now. The giveaway ends on the 2nd of June 2018.